Hi, this is Housewife256 coming to you with a refrigerator clean out. I did this video 4 times, and I still can't get it right. But we're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right this time. This is Housewife256 coming to you with a clean refrigerator. I cleaned it out. I tried to do it on camera, but I wasn't recording when I did it. So, I'm just going to show you the clean part of the refrigerator. Here we go. On the top shelf, how I organized it was on the top shelf of the refrigerator. I got the coffee creamer right here. It go over here. The water go right here. And in the middle, if I got sodas, which I do have some, I put them right here. Or either extra water go right here. I got 2 things of milk over here. I got some white milk and I got some buttermilk. Don't drink that. I drink the white milk. I don't drink the buttermilk. I got some on the second shelf. I have some spoke neck bones. This is to boil my pot. I have some cheese in here, some sausage and bacon. This is my breakfast container right here. I have butter right here in the middle, and I have some patties, some hash brown patties right here. In this container right here, I have some cinnamon rolls and 3 sodas in that one. And then on the next shelf, the third shelf, I have some eggs, butter, grapefruit, and right here, some water that I was drinking and I didn't complete it, so I put it right here. Some NutriShakes right here. This is my shelf for my leftovers. Right here, I have some cornbread right here. That's all on that shelf is cornbread. And I have some Greek yogurt and some peanut butter in the back on the third shelf. And then down here in this drawer, I have a half of a cabbage, which I'm gonna cook Sunday, bell pepper, some squash, some sweet potatoes, and I have a onion right here. That's in that drawer right there. And on the door, I have up here, I have a cheese container. I don't have any cheese in it, but I have a cheese container. I have a cheese container, a bell pepper, turtles, an onion right here. On this shelf here, I have some twig. I guess he make tea out of this. I don't know what he do with that, but I just leave it right there. Some medication over here. Some lemonade. Some fish oil in the back of it. Some melatonin, the liquid kind. Some Philip milk of magnesia right here. Some lemon juice, some lime juice, some magnesia, 2 of them, and this some kind of fig or something. I don't know. Mr. brought that home. I don't eat all that stuff. On this thing right here is some empty containers right here. I don't know what's in this. It's just pink. I don't know what's in there. I can't tell you what's in it. The other 4 is empty. Some real bacon bits, some croutons from a salad, some Parmesan cheese, barbecue sauce, a Bud Light, better than bouillon right there, some A1 sauce, some Heinz 57 sauce, some Crystal hot sauce. Hey, Crystal. And some Great Value steak sauce, some real lemon juice, some steak sauce right here, some radish, some barbecue sauce, some ranch dressing, some syrup for our pancakes. We got 2 kinds. And we got Aunt Jemima, and we got sugar-free. And down here on this shelf right here, we have some grape jelly, some Italian, oh, I got the salad dressing, honey. Some Italian dressing, some ranch dressing, some Thousand Island, some sweet and sour mix right here. I don't know what that's for. Some Thousand Island, some margarita mix. I mean, I know what it's for. It's for cocktails. You want to make your mixed drinks. That's what it's for. It's for that. This is the overview of the refrigerator. What all I have. It took me hours to clean this refrigerator. It was that dirty. I'm not gonna lie and say it wasn't, because it was. It was that dirty. Not gonna lie. And this is the freezer. It's a hot jumbo mess. I'm not gonna lie and tell you it ain't. It is. It's a hot mess. But I can't fix it no other way. I took it out and cleaned it out, and I don't know what else to do. But I'm gonna take me some cookies out, and I'm gonna let them unthaw. And I can't get my cookie. I can't get them cookies to rise. I don't know why they won't rise. They just be in the square, the little square hump at their end. They don't come out like the package is like that. They don't come out like that. Now, the first time I bought them, they did. But the second time I bought them, they came out in the square hump that they was already in. I'm gonna take them out and see, can I unthaw them and see, can I cook them then and see what they going to do. I took them out and I flattened them out. I got a fork and I flattened them out, and they still didn't do anything. So I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try that right there and see will that work for me. If not, then oh well. I'll just buy me some triple hard and be through with it. But this is Housewife256 Charlie Mae coming to you with a clean refrigerator and organized the refrigerator part, not the freezer, but the refrigerator. And I'm going to try and do another video tomorrow. It'll be MAEVEMBER this month. So I'm going to try to do a video for the whole month of November. So I'm on day 5, and tomorrow will be day 6. So I either going to clean the kitchen or the dining room. It's going to be one of the two that I'm going to do. And then I'm going to show you my bathroom. I started decorating my bathroom. I started in the kitchen too. I haven't finished. I got to play around with it and buy some stuff to go on the tree, and then I'll show it to you once I get it done. This is Housewife256 telling you good night. Tomorrow I'm trying to do a little bit early, and may God keep you and bless you. Thank you, and y'all have a blessed night.